For 3 years, I thought I just wasn't a focused person. That some people had it and some people didn't.
I was wrong. Brain fog is not a personality trait. It's a symptom. And once I understood what was actually causing it, I fixed it in 8 days. No medication, no supplements, 5 things, all free. Most people think brain fog is stress, laziness, or getting older. Brain fog is neuroinflammation. Your brain is literally inflamed. Most people fix their diet and wonder why the fog stays. Because the signal starts in the gut, not the brain. Inflammation has 4 causes: what you eat, how you sleep, blood sugar swings, and gut health. These 4 drive almost every case of brain fog in men over 30. The real cost isn't missed work. It's the conversations you half heard. The moments you were there, but not really. Here are the 5 things I changed. First, I cut seed oils completely. Not reduced, cut. Second, I fixed my sleep window. 10 p.m., non-negotiable. Third, morning sunlight within 30 minutes of waking. Fourth, high-protein breakfast. Eggs, meat, something that stabilizes blood sugar from the start. Fifth, no phone for the first hour. Your brain enters its sharpest cognitive window within 90 minutes of waking. Protect that hour. By day 8, something shifted. I sat down to work, and I was just in it. No resistance, no wandering. 2 productive hours became 6. End of week 2. I started waking before my alarm. Not feeling rested, just not feeling wrecked anymore. I want to be clear about what changed and what didn't. I didn't become a different person. I didn't find motivation or discipline. The fog just wasn't there anymore. Day 12. Someone close to me said that I seemed more present. I hadn't told anyone what I was doing. Not a pill, not a supplement. 5 things, all free. The biology was always on your side. You just needed to stop working against it. If you've been writing off your brain fog as stress or age, stop. It's inflammation. Start with one of these 5 today. That's enough to begin. Your brain isn't broken. It's been running on bad inputs. Change the inputs. The brain does the rest. I'll see you in the next one.